Welcome back to part 2 of how to set up a live chat on your WordPress website. You've got a Tidio live chat plugin set up. Now it's time to customize it even further. Once you're in the Tidio dashboard, go to this settings button and click it. You'll see the chat appearance page. You can change the color scheme. Select whether you want your text to be light or dark, and choose if you want the chat widget to be on the left side or the right. But the most important part of this customization is text info. Change all info that isn't necessary for you with your own. This includes online status, label text, and getting started info. Here you can select settings for mobile if you want to display chat widget just on desktop or both. I suggest going with both, but sometimes the live chat option on mobile can be a bit trickier to handle. Next, you'll see the offline message. Edit this text since this is what your users will see when you're not online. But we also need to set our work hours. Click this little button here. Then activate operating hours and customize from when you start working. This isn't absolutely necessary for smaller projects, but it helps manage users when your business expands. If you want to have a mobile live chat but you find that it's a bit too large or clunky on your design, you can use this slide to make it even smaller. It really helps not having half of the screen filled with just a live chat icon. Now, the question that's left is this. Do you want to get a pre-chat survey, meaning that your visitors will have to fill in, for example, their email address before continuing? It's a bit of a double-edged sword. Having this means you can be saved from a few bot messages or users that just typed anything, but it also can be a bit frustrating to enter your email every single time. I personally leave just the email requirement. I don't like spam, but test this out. You can always tweak these changes in the future. The final option here is whether you want to add different languages. It's a really useful option for larger projects. And it's kind of crazy that Tidio gives this completely for free. You can also create drafts of your mostly used messages if you go to the Quick Response tab and then edit or delete any existing data. You can access them in the chat with this icon. Adding another contributor is easy as pie, and on the free plan, you can have up to 3 people managing one website. To add help, simply go to the settings and then operators. Type in the name as well as email address and you're done. Another small thing, as I mentioned in my previous tutorial, is the automated chatbot that can answer some of the users' questions or drive sales. The limit of this is around 100 users a month, for the free plan of course, but it's still a great way to ensure a better user experience. To set it up, go to Chatbot and select one of the existing templates. There are quite a few different options to choose from. If you click on any of them, you can see what exactly it will do. I'll go with an automatic response chatbot so users would get an automated greeting back. But do keep in mind, some of these will require a bit more of your time to set up. Talking about the chatbot, if you want to have no limit on that, you can go with Tidio's premium plans and use the discount link in the description down below. After managing a couple of websites with Tidio, I can say it's one of the best options for live chat. And hey, it lets you use it and try all of its features for free, so you can upgrade at your own pace. By now, you should have everything customized to the way you want. But if you have any problems or further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Also, let me know whether these short tutorials are better for you. I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.